So if you recently received a notice from the IRS that your company is being audited, well, here's some tips that will help you. For instance, there's a lot of new revenue agents, new auditors that have been hired by the IRS who probably have less training. A lot of the senior officials have retired. So you're talking about a lot of people with 30 plus years of experience who understand what the issues are in an audit and how companies work. You may not get a senior auditor. So here's some tips to help you. When you get the audit notice, there's going to be a list of required records you're going to have to produce. Go through those records and go through your general ledger, your financial system with your CPA, and I, of course, recommend hiring a tax attorney. Look at the transactions, and if they're really not easy to understand how those transactions are put together and why you took certain deductions on your tax return or why you didn't include a certain deposit as income that is clearly on your bank statement, put together a narrative and put together one transaction with documents and information and show the auditor how the transactions in your company, how they're performed and how they're recorded in your accounting system and why they're legitimate, either as an expense or why something shouldn't be treated as income. There's a lot of different scenarios, but don't ever assume that when you're being audited by the IRS or even the state of California, whatever department it is, that they will have a clear understanding of your company. They might have experience auditing other companies in your industry, but every company operates differently. So put together the sample documents, show them how one transaction is completed, and also provide some facts. Walk them through it. It'll be very helpful really to connect the dots and to walk them through the transactions verbally over the phone or in person so that they don't misconstrue the transaction. And you don't want to end up with an audit with an assessment because the auditor simply didn't understand and then disallowed the transaction in its entirety, it happens quite a bit. I'm John Milikowski, founder of Milikowski Tax Law. I hope this information was valuable.